How to review privacy checkup interactions on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review privacy checkup interactions on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down again until you find this one, activity log, and then click here, look at actions and other activity, and click on this one, privacy checkup interactions, and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.